Axe is more than an axe. The clax is a multi-tool built into the head of an axe. It has a lot of useful features. Carabiner, thumb jimping, this is the bottle opener, the axe blade, the scraper, lanyard hole, the hammer with a built-in ruler, 5 wrench sizes, and a hex bit driver. The clax has a lot of useful features like wrenches, hammerhead, and scraper, along with our innovative new clamping system that allows you to take the axe to the field and be able to break it down for easy transport. The clax is useful for people who are involved in hiking, climbing, camping, survival experts, people who do bushcraft, all sorts of things, including emergency preparedness.
I'm Mike Peel from Mike Peel Logging, Vernonia, Oregon, and I'm a logger. The clax, it's a great tool. This morning I used it to wedge over a Douglas fir tree, and it did a good job.
This is the clax lumberjack. It's our most popular model because it includes all of the features. This is the clax woodsman. The clax woodsman has the clamping system, carabiner, hammer, the axe blade, but the more rustic version that we've created is called the clax feller. The clax feller attaches using the paracord bracelet by pulling the paracord out and wrapping it around the handle like you would a tomahawk. This is the tie clax. The tie clax is a titanium version of the clax lumberjack. It is our top-of-the-line model, and it includes all of the features, plus it has blue anodized highlights, and it comes weighing in at half of the weight of the feller. That's why the tie clax is our top-of-the-line model. We've backed 24 projects on our own already. We're reaching out to you, the Kickstarter community, to see if you'll help us by backing us to get the clax out there.
Clax!
Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support.
Clax, more than an axe.
Hey, I'm Nate Barr, creator of the Pocket Monkey, here today to tell you about my latest creation, Wildcard. The pocket knife needs to evolve. It's an essential tool, but it's bulky, it's one more thing to remember in the morning, and it easily falls out of your pocket and is lost. I wanted something better. I asked, why not put a pocket knife in my wallet? It'd be easier to carry and harder to lose. So I set out to design a knife that'd be as thin as possible, and the result is Wildcard. It's only 2 millimeters thick, only slightly thicker than a credit card. I was able to do this by reimagining the blade pivot. Most knives have a pin pressed through a hole. Wildcard has a pivot unlike anything in the world. I call it fly-off technology. The 3 wings of the pivot allow the knife blade to remain rigid to the body, a necessity when wielding a sharp tool. For safety, I designed the blade to lock open and to lock closed. The blade tucks neatly under 2 blade guards, and it angles only on one side, so users can't accidentally cut themselves when carrying a closed knife. And here's the best part about this design. The blade is detachable. I designed this with the forgetful traveler in mind. When you go through TSA with your traditional knife on you, you lose your knife. But with Wildcard, you only lose your blade. And on our website, you can replace it for only a few dollars. With Pocket Monkey, I used a monkey to represent the personality of the tool. With Wildcard, I kept that trend going. Wildcard has a wolf cutout that doubles as a bottle opener. The wolf embodies the nature of the tool, agile yet powerful. I wanted to pack as much functionality as possible into Wildcard. Many people misuse knives in place of other tools like screwdrivers and pry bars, harming themselves or breaking their knives. So I added these tools to the knife.
Just incredible here. I've got 18 powerful everyday tools with me. And no, it's not any of these, but it's right here in my wallet. This is the Wallet Ninja. It's got 6 wrenches, 4 screwdrivers, 4 openers, 2 rulers, fruit peeler, even a cell phone stand. You're going to use this bad boy every day of your life. And let me show you why. You got your Phillips flathead, virtually any sized household screw, including those teeny tiny ones in eyeglasses. 6 sized hex wrenches for a quick tighten, can opener for camping trips, bottle opener for barbecues, box opener, fruit peeler, letter opener. It has a centimeter ruler on one side. Flip it over, you got inches, 2 whole inches. That's all you really need. Now watch, slide any credit card into the slit, and now it's a stand for your smartphone. What? We just took all this and put it into this. Wallet Ninja is made from 4 times heat-treated stainless steel.
4 times.
Guaranteed to never rust, bend, or dull. And to prove the power of Wallet Ninja, we invited fitness personality James Ellis to try and bend it. Yeah, I thought so. And hey, you might have already forgotten, but this thing is the size of a credit card, so it fits right inside your wallet. And one more thing, it's TSA approved, so it won't get snagged at the airport.
Introducing Tread, the first multi-tool that lets you be the one who gets it done, anywhere. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and a bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection-molded 17-4 stainless steel. There's an optional Swiss-made timepiece, water-resistant to 200 meters, with a shock-resistant sapphire crystal. And it all comes with a choice of 2 rugged finishes. Tread, the go-to, go-anywhere tool from Leatherman, the original American multi-tool.
My name's Addison. This is your iPhone. And this is your iPhone with Task One. Task One is a multi-tool case for your iPhone 4, 4S, or 5. It houses 16 tools in an aircraft aluminum enclosure. Task One was designed to be a serious and functional tool, while at the same time being stylish and protective for your phone. Whether you're an engineer like me, or you're going camping out in the woods, Task One is the tool for you. I designed it to be super robust. I wanted to be able to use it in just about any situation. As an engineer, I really like carrying around multi-tools, but the problem was they're all so bulky that I would never put it in my pocket. The small credit card sized tools are just too flimsy for real use. So I wanted to design something that was robust, but at the same time didn't add much bulk to your phone. Task 1 is barely bigger than most iPhone cases. In fact, it's much smaller than a lot of iPhone cases out there. Yet it houses 16 hardened steel tools in its slim enclosure. While being really functional, it also protects your iPhone. The tools are housed in an enclosed aircraft aluminum housing, which is attached to your phone via 2 polycarbonate bands. That way, when you use Task 1, all of the force of the tools goes into the aluminum enclosure and doesn't damage your phone at all. The reason I used polycarbonate is because I didn't want it to affect your reception on your phone, and at the same time was lightweight and very strong. Task 1 has 16 tools. It has a 2.5-inch knife with serrations, a 1.8-inch saw blade, 2 flathead screwdrivers, 1 small, 1 large, a medium Phillips screwdriver, a bottle opener, pliers, wire cutters, wire strippers, 6 Allen wrenches, and a ruler.
We decided to design a multi-tool that combines all of our favorite features into an ultra-low profile tool that we call the Titanium Pocket Tool. This new tool is made from aerospace grade 5 titanium alloy. Despite its minimal name and appearance, this new pocket tool is extremely versatile and lets us do more and carry less.
Hi Kickstarters, I'm Joe.
I'm Chadwick.
We're excited to be back here with our newest project, the Titanium Pocket Tool.
It's a cool multi-tool that combines our favorite tools into one, and it doesn't take hardly any space in your pocket. Thanks for checking it out.